What's up, you guys? Back with another video. Today we're doing this SUV. It's a Mercedes GLE. The customer asked that we do the leather conditioning and as well as the interior detail on this one. And then as I was walking around, I talked to the customer. They're cool with us doing some hair removal and also shampooing on the carpets. So I'll go ahead and show you guys some of those highlight areas in the car, and then we'll get started. You guys will see here in a little bit our step-by-step process on our interior detail. I'll try to be as thorough as possible and give you guys all the info as I am proceeding with the service. Lots of areas in this vehicle with tons of dirt, lots of traction on the floors from people stepping in and out. That stuff can get embedded in the carpet. I'll show you guys kind of my method on getting those areas cleaned up. But first things first, we take the floor mats out, we soak them, and we pressure wash them. That way they can dry while we're doing the rest of the car. And then as you can see here, Elijah's cleaning the door jambs. This is another area we do early on so they can kind of air dry, drip dry. We'll go around and do our first initial vacuum. You don't see it in this clip, but you'll see it in a little bit. We do spray down the floors as well. Like this here, you can see me soaking everything just to keep things loose. Makes picking up with the vacuum a lot easier. It also helps you kind of keep track of areas you've already vacuumed because you can see those carpet lines a little easier. If you run into any items like crayons or Starbucks lids, caps to bottles, you can pick all that up beforehand so it doesn't get stuck in your vacuum as you're vacuuming. But vacuuming is 10 times easier when you guys get the carpets a little bit wet with the APC or even just some water. Same thing for these high areas of contact with fingers. We'll go ahead and soak. As you can see, I'm spraying into the air vents, into the buttons, getting it prepped for our air compression. You can also use a steamer for this part, but the air compression tool works really good for like the cracks and crevices in the vents and on the sides of the seats. So pretty much during that blowout stage, it makes our job a lot easier when we go into our wipe down. So we'll be using our bucket and microfiber method. We thoroughly wipe down the car front to back. The reason we don't use detail brushes often is because during our blowout sequence, that gets everything we need out before needing to go through and wipe down with the microfibers. It also makes the final vacuum easier as well, because then everything that's left is blown out onto the floor or onto the seats, leaving the final vacuum and wipe down as the only thing left. All right, guys, we just finished up. Hope you guys like the results. Elijah, what'd you think? Pretty good, nice. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought. If you have any questions, shoot down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.